I don't like to be a bearer of bad news, but however, I would like you to pay attention to this particular video. Not necessarily a bad news, but pay attention so you can be 10 steps ahead of the curve. All right. For those of you who are participating on all these Telegram tap airdrops and all of that, thinking, okay, you're going to become a millionaire, you're going to make thousands or hundreds of thousands from these things. Well, my advice for you is lower your expectations. Okay, calm down, lower your expectations, because it's not as rosy as you may think it is. And I've got some facts I want to show you guys and some details I'm going to share with you. Then you can make your own decision and make your own analysis from there. But remember, before that, I've always shared with you guys that there are several ways to make money in crypto. Airdrop is just one out of many numerous ways to make money in crypto, right? I could give you like 11 or 14 ways you can make money in cryptocurrency. Airdrop is just one of them, right? And even the money you make in airdrops, which perhaps you may want to call it free money, right? It's not absolutely free, and it's not as rosy as some of you may think it is. But however, let's go into my system. I want to show you guys some evidence. But before I do that, there's something I want to say, but perhaps I think let's talk about it when I am done showing you guys what I want to show you in the video. Now let's go straight into my system and I'll show you guys this. All right. Right here we are on my laptop. As you guys can see my screen right now, this is Hamster Combat, right? This is the official account of Hamster Combat. As you can see, it's a verified account, right? Good. And they have a total of 35.1 million subscribers. So far so good. Now 35 million subscribers. Let's look at when did they created this YouTube account. When was this YouTube account created, right? So we just click more here and that will give us everything about them. If you scroll down, look at it, 35 million subscribers. They only have 192 videos. So far so good. And they were created, the account was created on the 24th of May 2024.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
It was created on the 24th of May 2024. Which month are we present right now? We are in the month of August, and today is exactly the 21st of August. So if you count it, 24th of May to 24th of June, that is 1 month, to 24th of July, that is 2 months, to 24th of August, that will be 3 months. So today is exactly, as you can see down here on my laptop, on my system, you can see today is 21st of August, right? So in 3 days time, Hamster Combat YouTube channel will be 3 months old. Now in these 3 months, okay, of their existence, they've been able to gather 35 million subscribers. Now let's go further. Let's check how much are they making from their YouTube channel. All right, so I'm going to close this. Let's just pick any. Let's go here under their video sections. So we'll just pick any of their video. Okay, let's just say this video was posted 14 hours ago, right? Good. Now let's just open it, since that is the latest video they have. We'll open it in a new tab. So let's go to the video. So here is the hamster video, right? All right, it's playing, so I'm going to stop it from playing. I'm going to stop it from playing because that's not what we are here to do. I just want to show you guys some figures, mind-blowing figures. All right, take a look at this. What do you see here? $530,000 estimated monthly earning. Now Hamster Combat is making more than $500,000 every single month from you people watching their videos. This is what these guys are making every single month. Just within this 3 months that they started the YouTube account, they are making $530,000. Some of you may be thinking, oh, it states here, it says 33,000 to 530,000. This is Social Blade. And I want to tell you guys, you can go, even as after watching this video right now, go to YouTube and ask, is Social Blade accurately correct? Do you understand? The estimated monthly earning on Social Blade, is it usually correct? Whatever you see here, forget this 33.2k you are saying, work with this 553k. Whatever you see here, multiply it by 3. I am telling you this now. You can do your investigation to find out. Multiply it by 3. Go to YouTube and ask, is Social Blade actually correct? And see what people, YouTubers on YouTube, and hear what they will tell you. They will tell you that from their own account, if Social Blade They have seen Social Blade telling people that they earn $1,000. Meanwhile, they themselves in their account, they are earning $3,000. But Social Blade will tell you $1,000 maximum. The maximum Social Blade will give you is $1,000. Meanwhile, these guys are earning $3,000. Do you understand? So Social Blade is even being conservative with their number. Do you understand? So as you're seeing this 530, trust me, these guys are making nothing less than $1,300 to $1,500. I mean, 1 million to about 1.3 million to about $1.5 million every single month from their account. Now, for those of you who are Nigerians, 530,000 United States dollars. Let's convert that to Naira. Now, how much is the black market rate of Naira today? So we'll put it, we'll say black market dollar to Naira. Okay, so let's get the figures. Look at it as of today, right? Today, look at it. Today, the Naira black market exchange rate for $1 United States dollars is selling for 1,602 Naira. All right, perfect. Let's go back to Hamster. Hamster here, they are earning 530,000 United States dollars. Okay, beautiful. 530,000, right? This is $530,000, right? So we're going to multiply that by 1,602 Naira per dollar. So if we press the equal sign, these guys are making 849 million Naira every month. I repeat, 849 million Naira every single month. That is almost $1 billion Naira they are making every single month. Mind you, I said whatever you see as the maximum number here on Social Blade, multiply it by 3. Are you getting me? I said multiply it by 3. All right. So, but even if we don't want to multiply it by 3, this is what these guys are making every single month. Okay. Let's go to the next people. Let's see their own. Let's get their own figures. The next guys is of course TapSwap. So this is TapSwap official account. I'm going to open it in the new tab. Okay. So let's see what the figures are for TapSwap. As you can see, TapSwap is just about 4.8 million subscribers. Are you getting me? 4.8 million subscribers. So let's click their about section. Let's get their details. Look at it. 4.8 million subscribers, 123 videos, and so far so good. They created this account since 3rd of January 2024, but I think since when they created the YouTube account, they've not been putting any content. So the account wasn't active since January to this time. They just created it and left it there, right? But they recently started posting videos not too long on the account, and we can get that here. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see let's see if we can get the first video they posted on their account. And they look at it, their first video was posted just 1 month ago. Are you getting me? This is all the videos, because look, we are in the video section. All the total videos I've uploaded, right? The total videos I've uploaded is 123 videos. You can get that from the about section. Look at it here, 123 videos. And the first video they posted was just 30 days ago, 1 month ago. Now, they just started posting 1 month ago. Fine. Let's check how much are they making every month. Since they just started 1 month ago, right? So how much are they making now per month? How much is their monthly earning? So let's open any of their video.
Activated. Welcome back, bite-sized buddies. Ready to continue?
So I'm going to pause that. So very quickly, let's wait for Social Blade to load up so we can get all the figures. Look at them. TapSwap is making $547,000. I repeat, $547,000 on a monthly basis. $547,000. Mind you, we calculated here that TapSwap was making 530,000. I mean, sorry, Hamster was making 530,000. Here we have it that TapSwap is making $547,000. All right, beautiful. I'm going to open another calculator because I don't want to close that. Okay, so this is my second calculator. So we're going to calculate for TapSwap. TapSwap here, 547,000. So 547,000, right? I'm going to multiply this. What is the exchange rate for Naira today? 1,602 Naira, right? So I'll click the equal sign. Look at it. They are making 876 million naira on a monthly basis. 876 million naira. That is almost a billion naira every month. And who is giving them this money? Okay, perhaps it is YouTube that is paying them, but who is helping them make this money? It is you people. You that as you are every day you go, you do the task. They'll give you 2 videos to watch every day as a task. You watch it and they'll give you 100,000 coins. Is it coins or whatever? Dashboard sheet tokens. Right? That is what they've given to you. And you are watching their content on YouTube and they are making real money. The typical Nigeria will say monkey they walk, baboon they chop. Are you getting the picture? So now that brings me to where I want to ask you guys some very critical and serious question, right? Mind you, you can use this social blade, right, to check up for any YouTuber. Is it Mackenzie Comedy, Sabinus, any content creator, any skits maker that is on YouTube? You can use this to check what they are earning on their channel, including me, if you want to do that, right? Now, the question now is, if you are the owner of TapSwap or Hamster Combat and you are making this cool cash of money, will you be in a hurry to launch the project? Now, let me use a small story or a scenario to explain it for you. Maybe you'll understand better. Assuming you are a beautiful lady and you have this guy, a handsome young man who is rich, he has money and is doing well, right? And you and him are dating, and he's paying you 1 million naira every month as your monthly allowance because you are his girlfriend, right? And he told you and said, okay, young lady, I'll be giving you 1 million naira every month for your allowance because you are my girlfriend, right? But if I marry you, you become my wife, I will stop giving you the 1 million naira every month because you are now my wife. I don't need to be giving you, paying you, give you monthly allowance. You're my wife. You have access to everything in my house. My entire mansion, my cars, everything are yours. So I don't need to be giving you 1 million naira every month as allowance. Now you as a young lady and you know you are in desperate need of money to sort out family issues, your own personal issues and all that, will you be in a hurry to approve your wedding with that guy? Yes, he wants to marry and he wants to do the wedding in the next 2 months. As a smart lady that you know you need this money to sort out a lot of things, will you not find a way to postpone the wedding maybe by 5 months or 6 months so that 1 million naira will keep coming every month? Think. So I do not want to put in any ideas into your head, right? It's all up to you. You do whatever you want to do. Think for yourself. Do whatever you want with this information. This is not a financial advice. It is just Obicrypto sharing with you guys. Remember, I've always told you guys that on my platform, I want everybody that is a follower and a believer of Obicrypto to always be 10 steps ahead of the curve. And like I've always said, the best way to beat the rich in the game of success is not to do what they are doing with what they are saying with their mouth, but to do what they are doing with their money. Are you getting me? Now, TapSwap is using their money to create some robot news, because this news is not human being sitting there saying anything. It's just AI, right? Cartoon, and you guys are watching it and they are making money from there, and you expect them to launch so fast? Come on, man, think again, bro. If you're the one, are you going to launch so quick? I'm not saying you should stop tapping. I'm not saying you should stop mining. I'm not saying you should stop doing your daily task, but use your common brain, right? That's just the information I'm bringing to you guys this morning. This is Obicrypto. I love you guys. Please subscribe, share the video, and follow me on all social media platforms. I'll see you in the next video. Over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.